Whether you're interested in running an urban farm or just maintaining a backyard garden, compost can be a crucial part in ensuring your plants stay healthy and receive the nutrients they need. The composting process involves 4 main elements. These are organic matter, moisture, oxygen, and bacteria. The organic matter portion of your compost should include a mixture of what is called greens and browns. The best ratio to maintain when composing your compost pile is keeping a 1-to-1 ratio between your greens and browns. If your greens outweigh your browns, your compost pile will ultimately rot. Moisture is also important for this process. Make sure your pile has enough moisture that can be comparable to the wetness of a wrung-out sponge. The drier it is, the slower it will decompose. If it is too wet, it can also just rot and start to smell. Mixing your compost pile incorporates the 3rd element, oxygen. Oxygen is needed to break down the plant material. Wait at least a week or 2 before turning your pile again. This helps the pile to heat up and break down more quickly. Finally, bacteria and other organisms help break down plant material. The browns and the greens act as their food, and all the moisture and oxygen levels are important to maintain, so ultimately they don't die. Keeping all these components happy will create an adequate environment for the bacteria to continue to break down the compost material. Using compost in your farm or garden is beneficial for multiple reasons. Firstly, it adds nutrients to the soil. Compost is rich with nutrients. It adds nutrients such as carbon and nitrogen. It also improves the organic matter in the soil, helping plants grow easier. It also helps soil maintain water. Compost also introduces important organisms to the soil. Bacteria, fungi, and protozoa are all introduced into the soil. These can aerate the soil, convert nitrogen so plants can use it, and even repel some plant diseases. Compost also acts as a slow-release fertilizer, so plants are able to use nutrients as they need. This helps keep you from over-fertilizing your crops and helps keep your plants healthy. You can create your own compost in your backyard, contribute to a community compost pile, or buy compost. Compost piles come in various sizes. There are small backyard-sized compost piles and huge facilities that create compost by the tons. There are lots of options to get and create compost, which you can implement into your own farm or backyard garden.